Imagine being able to create this by the end of our tutorial. Welcome to our video part 2 of drawing rose step by step. So remain tuned till last. Always make your sketch as light as possible. Then start coloring. In lower lip, start with giving base of pink color. Then dark pink and try to blend pencil color smoothly for better result. And if you want to learn blending, just comment below. And then red. In the edge I am doing with purple because purple light is falling on it from the back of the girl, giving more deepness with the brown. Till now, if you find this tutorial valuable, then hit the like button. In the upper lip also, do base with pink color and then dark pink, making curves and folding of lips. Use orange and red to make shadows more dark, leaving the highlight area properly. Here also I will use purple on the edge. After completion, again see your reference and drawing carefully and try to make out all the areas that need more coloring or fixture and do it again until you get satisfied. Inside mouth, first do brown, not directly black, as it gives more realistic and deepness to the drawing. Then over brown, use black color. Always keep your pencil sharp for conveniently utilization and making fine and thin lines. Our drawing has been almost completed. We hope you find this tutorial helpful. Do not forget to like, share and hit the subscribe button for more art tutorials.